If you are addicted to scroll Instagram reels or YouTube videos without any purpose, and after scrolling you realize and regret like, oh my god, I wasted my 2 hours, 3 hours. I could also use this time for my skills. I could also convert this scrolling time into any productive work. And then you feel demotivated, you feel frustrated, right friends, and you have a guilt feeling. Then you are not alone. 1 year back I had the same problem. I was facing the same issue what you have been facing these days now. Okay, so let me tell you how I converted my bad habits into good habits and became a fluent English speaker. Now I have Instagram account and I scroll, but I don't have any sort of addiction. I use it for my learning purpose. Okay friends, so in today's video I am going to share with you my personal story of 1 year back, and now you can see the transformation. Okay, 1 year back when I was learning English speaking with my personal favorite trainer, she was from Punjab and used to take sessions to me for 30 minutes every day on call. Then she always appreciated me like, you are a very hardworking, honest learner. But one day she went mad, completely mad, and scolded me so badly and got furious on me, said, I don't want to have a conversation with you because you don't complete your task, whatever I give you. So I don't want to waste my time with you. I said, ma'am, I'm so sorry. Then she said, what do you do in your free time? Why don't you complete? Then I said, ma'am, to be honest, I am addicted to Instagram reels. Whenever I have free time, I think like I will watch only one reel, but after that I go on scrolling for 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours, and after that I regret like, oh my god, I wasted my time. My ma'am will ask on this topic tomorrow, but I'm not prepared for this. So she said to me, okay. Then I said, ma'am, I am going to uninstall Instagram right now, and I will be a very hardworking and dedicated learner from today onwards. Then she said, no need to uninstall Instagram. I was quite surprised. I was astonished like, okay ma'am, so what should I do? Then she said to me, rather uninstalling Instagram, you should create a new account. And I created a new account. Then she said to me, use a hashtag and first start consuming English content only. Just use hashtags and search, go and search out from the chat GPT about the keywords of English, like English speaking practice, English vocabulary, English for beginners, English spoken tips. And I used to just search it out on using hashtag on Instagram. Then suddenly I saw like my feed is completely changed now. Whatever the content is coming, this is completely in English. And after that, one ma'am, she told me, suggested me about American pranks. This was really very amazing. It worked for me amazingly. And she said, just use American pranks, okay, with the hashtag, and watch it out for 1 minute continuously, and suddenly pause that video, okay, and try to describe your emotion, like before this prank, how was your emotion, and now how is your mood, and try to describe instantly at that time only in English. Never wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow never comes. Then I said, okay ma'am, and I followed this technique. Whenever I used to watch anything on Instagram, instantly I paused that and I started describing, like in the prank, if there were two couples, they were going or they were talking, eating something. So whatever the activities, I observed and tried expressing that. And this, believe me, this technique really helped me. And after that, she said, rather reading comments, because I know you are also habitual of reading comments. Then she said, start commenting on every video only in English. I said, okay ma'am. And then she said, regardless of getting likes or dislikes on the comment, just comment it. And then you don't expect from there like I will get likes or not. Okay, this is just for English learning purpose. I followed that. Okay friends, and the third thing she said to me, download a Spotify. Whenever you have free time, then rather scrolling, just sit down and close your eyes and listen to one of the favorite channels. She suggested me Listening Time podcast. He is an American trainer, okay, and he speaks so slowly in a rhythmic way. if you will listen to that, then your mindset will be completely changed. You automatically you will see in just few months like, oh my god, now I am able to think directly in English. And I started thinking in English. Believe me, my ma'am, she suggested me. After that, she told me to follow applications. Okay, and in that applications I used to talk, rather scrolling at night before sleeping. I used to talk with co-learners. If you talk with co-learners, then you can express your emotion. Hello brother, how are you? And whatever the emotions you have, try to express like, okay, so are you addicted to Instagram or not? If he say like, no, I'm not addicted, then okay friends, what do you do in your free time, and what are your hobbies, interest? Please tell me about loneliness or any stuff, any topics. And it is much better than a scrolling to talk with a human being, real human being. And I started talking with them. So ma'am, whatever the topics she used to give me, she said to me like, you should practice it with co-learners first, and after that you can practice it with me, otherwise I will not take sessions with you. Then I said, okay ma'am, I will follow it passionately and with dedication. And then other thing is that she shared me about the chat gpt, like you should download I had chat gpt already that time. Then in chat gpt she said to me, if you have free time, then try to talk in English with the chat gpt rather scrolling. Okay, never scroll, because it is like silent killer. Your all time will be consumed by the psychological creators. Okay, then later on you will realize I wasted my life completely just by doing nothing. Then I said, okay ma'am, I will follow your words from today onwards. And I followed it by heart, to be honest. And believe me, from that day onwards, when I started consuming contents only in English, then I never, as I mentioned in my earlier videos, I never prepared for any government job. I never prepared for anything, because I knew if my English is good, excellent, I can convert my English speaking skills into making money. And now I am making money. I am happy. Whatever I am doing, I am very much satisfied without preparing for any government job. So friends, if you want to command over English speaking, then please stop scrolling Instagram reels. Try to convert Instagram reels or anything into your learnings. If you will completely convert it just for your personal skills, then believe me, in the long term, you will see like, oh my god, that decision was completely very impressive, and it changed my life. Okay, so you should follow this rather scrolling or knowing about Ronaldo, Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni or anyone. It is much better to learn something new for yourself only. And first priority should be to make money as much as possible. There should be money mindset, and after that you can go for other stuffs. Okay, I don't want to preach. Okay, I want to just guide you as a brother, and I am your brother, and you are also my brother. I don't know where you are from, but I'm recording video from a jungle just for you. Okay friends, so please stop scrolling Instagram. Okay, means I'm not telling you to stop. First, I'm telling you to, you should create a new account and consume only English content. Don't uninstall Instagram. Just try to convert your all feed into English, into something productive. That's it. And thank you so much. I hope you learned something new. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.